This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out of the washing machine until it's just damp. It has been flipped inside out. This is a smaller size than I normally work with. This is a medium. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this. Pick the point that you want to go with. You could eat corners, sides, whatever, since this is just one of those peacock designs. I've just got a piece of sinew tied around that. And I think I'm going to start from the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and let's go a little below the sleeve. There we go. Just to mark out a circle here. Yeah, it moved on me. Let's try this again. And I'm going to go a little further. I think I'll go with that. Alright, go ahead and take that off. Now I'm just going to accordion up this. Alright, I'll go ahead and tie this off. Alright, then I'll just work the pleats on either side. For the rest of this here, I'm not going to do the same color scheme, so I'm going to just kind of loop around. I'm leaving, what, about 9 inches or so off for that end part. Alright, off to dye. For this, I'm using rust brown, amber waves, golden brown, chamois, earth brown, and I think shiitake mushroom. Now, all of those are from Dharma, except for the earth brown, which is from Custom Colors. We'll let that sit and melt through and probably do a second layer of ice. Alright, let's go ahead and do this washout. Alright, let's take a quick look. Throw this in the wash, and then we'll take a final look. Alright, here we have the front. Here we have the back. Okay, this looks green to me. It may not actually be green in there. I do have colorblind issues, so you tell me, is that green? Ignoring that, I think it came out pretty good. There's a few inconsistencies here and there, but I think it works overall. It's a nice fall peacock. The color change was intentional. I was thinking about pulling it down lower, but I think it works for this. I could have carried it all the way, but I wanted something slightly different at the top just to make it a little bit different. Let's see, what else? There are some little color spots in various places that made its way through. Oddly enough, it's not like that on the back. I'm not sure that the wig-wag style of pattern, zigzag, whatever you want to call it, style of pattern for the die turned out really well. I'm not sure you can actually see it in here. I was looking for more like a woven type of result for this. I mean, there's definitely a lot of color shifts and color changes throughout, and the lighter colors in here are definitely the chamois and whatever the other color I used that was lighter. So I mean, there definitely is intentional inconsistencies in it because of the pattern that was used. So it kind of looks like it was weaved. What do you think? Let me know down below, and until next time, thanks for watching.